What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gala Games 0.030 down about 10% on the day. Market cap 952 million, 25 volume 97 million. So let me pop over to this chart. We're in our target zone. Now, of course, we can break a little bit lower, but you can see all this support where we're currently hovering right around this large area of support. If we do break down, the next level I would watch is 0.0278. As you can see, we bounced here. We had a little bit of support here back in this area as well. If we break this level, all depending on BTC, it does look like it will turn around soon. But if we do come a little bit lower first and just come down to the 2-cent range, create max fear before bouncing back to the upside, in my opinion. Let's see if we reached the technical target of this wedge here. Ooh, yeah, we did perfectly. Very, very close. Yeah, we have reached it perfectly. So turnaround can happen at any time. If we do break lower, just watch about 0.0278. Popping over to our next chart, basically what you're looking at is ABC correction. Currently coming down in the wave 5. Let me just switch back to my normal candlesticks here, and we'll pop over to the 30-minute chart, and we'll look for a 5-wave move off that wave 4. Ooh, okay. So I would look at, let me grab my brush here. Oh, it's a bit of a tricky one. Potentially that's your wave 1 down, and then you can't, all of this would be your wave 3, wave 4, and now you're finally coming down in that wave 5, probably starting to get bullish divergences. No, just extremely oversold on the 1 hour, 4 hour, nice bullish divergence. So we just have to wait for the bounce. Once we get that first impulse off the low in a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we pull back, we look for longs right there to ride it back to the upside. But until then, I'm just letting it bleed until it stops. I'm not currently shorting it, just waiting for the turnaround. So again, bounce from this level would be great to get back above this level of resistance here, which is at about 0.0395, and see continuation back to the upside. But until then, we just have to wait till we get that impulse off the low. As I said, if we lose the support, you're looking at about 0.028, and then below that all the way down here would be your next major level support, about 0.0210. Do I think we'll come that low? No. Right now I just think it's max fear, max pain, extremely oversold on the daily chart. So eventually you're going to see that move back to the upside. You just have to be patient. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Gala. Beautiful buying opportunity for a long-term hodl position, in my opinion. Not financial advice. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. Get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Once you make your first deposit, just send me email. My email's in the description, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, Forex signals. I just dropped a Forex trade. All completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. If you don't want to go this route, you can sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Much love. See you in the next video.